Have you ever wondered why they don't teach investing in schools? Could it be because people who invest retire earlier and therefore don't work forever? Or is it because school teachers weren't taught how to invest themselves? Whatever the reason, when you start investing, your main goal is to earn money. After all, no one invests in order to lose money, do they? Unless your name is Montgomery Brewster, of course. Look it up, kids. However, like everything else, not all stocks on the market perform well. By having a diversified portfolio, we embrace these realities. Some stocks bring big returns, while some, not so much. Luckily, all is not lost. We're going to show you how to turn your stock market losses into wins if you're an investor, without being a Wall Street insider. Welcome back to Freedom Academy, where future billionaires come to find their path. Let's go, freedom seekers. What if we told you that this technique can be done at any time of the year? Most investors wait until the end of the year to assess the annual performance of their portfolios and its impact on their taxes to determine how much they use this strategy. But really, it can be done any time. And if that's not enough, by using this strategy, an investment which shows a loss in value can be sold to claim a credit against the profits that were realised in other investments. This is just complete genius. If done correctly, your losses can help you avoid capital gains taxes or pay very little of them. For seasoned investors, this strategy is a critical tool for reducing overall taxes, and although it cannot restore an investor to their previous position, it can lessen the severity of the loss and help boost take-home profits in the long term. This will get you to invest like the 1% do, and we personally use this strategy ourselves. So, what strategy are we talking about? What is tax loss harvesting? Tax loss harvesting, as the name suggests, is the timely selling of securities at a loss in order to offset the amount of tax due on the sale of other securities at a profit. This strategy is used to limit your amount of taxes due on the short-term capital gains by offsetting the reported gains of that year with the loss from the sale of another asset. These are generally taxed at a higher rate than long-term capital gains. However, the method may also offset your long-term capital gains if the losses roll over. In short, this strategy can help you preserve the value of your portfolio while reducing the cost of capital gains taxes. Now, that's something we all love to hear. Now, let's take a deep dive into how you can make money from this. One way that freedom seekers can absolutely make money from this is by smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Nah, just kidding, but we really would appreciate it since it helps to push the video out to more people. So, if you've gotten any value so far, just give that like button a cheeky little tap. So, how does tax loss harvesting work? Essentially, you're just selling your taxes. That sold us on the idea years ago. Tax loss harvesting takes advantage of the fact that capital losses can be used to offset capital gains. You, as the investor, can take capital losses from unprofitable investments in order to pay less capital gains tax on profitable investments sold during the year. Okay, you with me so far? Well, here's the kicker. Once you sell your losses, you can still buy an equal value investment of another unrelated investment while still reporting that loss on the initial investment. Clever, eh? The key word here is unrelated, because you would not be able to sell Apple stock and rebuy it again within 30 days and count that as a tax loss harvest. It has to be unrelated enough to count as a tax loss harvest, and the buy and repurchase should never be within 30 days of each other. So, selling Apple and rebuying a stock from an entirely different industry, or buying and selling different ETFs that track different indexes, work for us. But remember, this is not financial advice, just entertainment. That said, using this strategy though, you would be able to retain the value of your portfolio, cash in on the loss, and realise the same gains, especially if the two different investments perform similarly. Instead of losing in the stock market, now you can take advantage of the recession from all sides. Okay, now, one more thing for the true freedom seekers who stick around. While investment losses are used to reduce capital gains taxes, even those who don't report capital gains can benefit from tax loss harvesting. That's because investment losses can also be used to offset taxes on your ordinary income. Talk about that the next time someone says financial education is only for the rich. Well, freedom seekers, we're almost at the end of another video. If you enjoyed this one, we've got plenty more in the next videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and check out this video we chose just for you. Yes, you, right there, just you.